Hi friends, so I'm just showing you a Lehoo Castle dinosaur kids bag. So let's open this bag. So it's a very bright and good design bag for the kids, and you can see they used some cardboard thing to make it more solid appeals from outside, and this is the soft back straps, so it's comfortable to the kids, and they can also lock it like with this belt so that it will not skip and it will not fall from their shoulders. So that's a good thing, because for the kids it sometimes becomes really difficult to hold on the shoulders, especially the small kids. This is a name sheet that they can, or you can put their name on it and insert it so that people know that who's this belong to. So I will say, like, they keep in mind while designing all the small stuff for kids. This is a small pocket that kids can use, and you can see like the chain or the zipper, and the quality of zipper is really good, and this is little bit broad in shape so that the kids can hold it easily. It's not like the small one or the regular ones. It's a little broader design that kids can use or hold easily and unzip their bag. So inside the bag, if you see that it's a comfortable like big pocket, of course based on the kids bag size, and the front is the solid one, and there is one more pocket inside where they can put their stuff, like say the pencil or whatever the way they want to put. And this is really, actually my whole hand can go inside, so it's a good size. And the inside pocket and the bag from here. So let me close and show you some other quality of this. You can see like the joints and the design. It's like a cardboard and little velvety cloth on it so that it's smooth on the kids back and the other things. And then you can see the total width of this bag is this much, like almost the quarter of my index finger. And yeah, so quality wise and everything wise, I think it's a good quality solid bag for kids. Easily you can clean with a wipe it off, because this is like the white part is the velvety part, and this is a solid bag, like you can just spray and clean it off. This is the two hooks that they put, like you can put or in a wardrobe or in your almirah, that you can just hang it on. So really nice design and really a nice bag with the stitching and stuff. You see very clean and clear stitching, a good quality maintained in this bag for the kids. Really nice design and nice bag.